In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Meta Business Suite portfolio. By following along, you'll be equipped to manage your online business presence efficiently across Facebook and Instagram. Let's dive into the process. To begin, open your web browser and type in business.facebook.com/overview. This will take you to the Meta Business Suite homepage, a vital hub for managing multiple aspects of your online business. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your personal Facebook account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and proceed. This login step is essential as it ensures all your business activities are linked correctly to your account. Once logged in, look for the option that says Create Account. Clicking on this will bring up a new window where you'll need to provide some basic information about your business. Carefully enter your business name and your email address. These details are crucial for brand recognition and communication, so make sure they're accurate and up to date. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, proceed to finalize the creation of your account. Congratulations, you've now set up the framework of your Meta Business Suite portfolio. The next step is about connecting the various elements of your online presence. Start by adding existing or new Facebook pages if you have them. It's as simple as finding the relevant section or button that will guide you through the process. Connecting your Facebook page allows you more profound insights and better management tools directly through Meta Business Suite. Also, if you have an Instagram account associated with your business, now is the time to add that. The value here is substantial. By integrating Instagram, you can manage posts, track analytics, and even cross-promote between Facebook and Instagram seamlessly. Additionally, don't forget about your ad accounts. To run targeted ads and analyze their performance, you'll want to have your ad accounts linked under this suite. This step is particularly crucial if you plan on utilizing ad space for greater reach and engagement with potential customers. Now that everything is linked, consider inviting team members or collaborators to help manage your business portfolio. You can do this by navigating to the appropriate section and sending invitations. Make sure each team member has clearly defined roles to ensure accountability and streamline your workflow. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have successfully set up your Meta Business Suite portfolio. This setup not only gives you a consolidated view of all your business activities across Facebook and Instagram, but also enhances your ability to manage, optimize, and grow your online business presence. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now well on your way to mastering your Meta Business Suite portfolio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.